Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be doing a review and installation of this Hudway drive.
My guns go boom boom and your guns go out.
Let's get started. And you're asking yourself, what is a Hudway drive? It is a heads-up display system for your vehicle. Let me open it up and see the content. Here it is. This is the Hudway drive and the display. Where does this go? This is going to go right in front of your dashboard. Just like that. I'm going to show you how you're going to install it and how it's going to be turned on. In this little box right here, it's going to be your power cable, your video cable if you want to install a rear view camera, power adapter, clips, and OBD2 scanner right there. So let me just open it up and so you can see the content. This is everything that's included in that little box. This is your cable. This is your power cable. This is going to be for your power. These little things are the clips so that you can hold that wire. And this is going to be your cable for the camera if you want to install a camera. It's not included in this kit, but you can get one. Now on the other little box is going to be this is connected to the OBD port on your vehicle. This is what's going to give all the information to that display. This is just connected directly to the OBD port. It is extremely simple to install. It has a 3M adhesive tape backing, which all you got to do is remove it and place it right in the center, which it goes this way, right in the center, and it's gonna stay there. That's part one. Now you're gonna have to run your wire to the power. So let's just continue with the wiring. It does have tape, a backing tape that has to be removed. I am going to remove it right now, and this is detachable also so that you can remove it whenever you want it removed. Let me show you how it comes apart. As you saw right there, this is a part that's going to be staying on your dash. On back, you're going to have two connections. One is going to be for the power right there. The other one right there is going to be for your video if you want to connect a camera. So let's just install the wire to the power and run it to the back. Next, you take the OBD connector and find your OBD port. Mine is right underneath. I'm gonna connect it. Right there, as you can see, it's kind of hard to capture it on camera, but you can see it right there. Now I did run the power cord right through the edge of this area all the way down to the SUV on my vehicle and turned on right away. Now for more configurations, go to your Play Store, download the app, the Hudway Drive app, and you can configure everything from here. Okay, let me show you. You can just configure the you can update it, you can auto connect the OBD, and you can change it if it's an SUV, it's a car. You can change the speed, and a lot of configurations that you can do, which is going to show you on the display. Now I haven't played around with this that much, but I'm going to configure it to my specifications. You can do that to your own specifications. Now if you have an old car, it works exactly the same. Newer car, older car, it doesn't really matter. SUV, trucks, anything you have, it's perfect that you can actually use it. So there it is. That is a Hudway Drive and the installation. Now I'm going to configure it to my settings and enjoy it. If you want to get one of these, I'm going to leave all the information in the description below. Go ahead, get yourself one, tell them Far Away sent you, and this will be it for this video. Thank you very much. I want to thank Hudway for allowing me to review this heads-up display system. Thank you very much, and this will be it. All right, and another feature that this device has, it has navigation, so it'll tell you where you need to go, when to turn, and so forth. So that's good to have there right in front of you. You don't have to look at your screen on the side. It'll be right in front of you. And this will be it. This will be the installation and the review for this Hudway Drive. I want to thank Hudway for allowing me to review this device. Thank you very much. And this will be it. So thank you very much. We'll see you this coming weekend. And like always, stay safe and God bless.